Hello, we are here at Mistake Lake Casino in Minnesota, USA, in Prior Lake City. បាទថ្ងៃនេះពួកខ្ញុំមកកាស៊ីណូដើម្បីមើលគេបាញ់កំជ្រួចបាទបាញ់កំជ្រួចIndependence Day បាទបុណ្យឯករាជ្យរបស់អាមេរិក Happy 4th of July everyone. We here to celebrate at Mistake Lake. But give me a concert, give me a food truck. Okay, they are concert. They have concert and food truck and a firework at night time. We are walking to the event area. There are food truck, food for sale, beverage, and concert and firework at night. Got a parking lot here for handicap only. Hey Yashi, Happy 4th of July. Say Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July everyone. Bye. បុណ្យឯករាជ្យអាមេរិក Independence Day.
Are we gonna stay here until
Yeah, until
10?
until firework end.
We're staying here until it's night.
Yeah. Concert. Ủa dương phải vô chương mà But they got restroom. Hey. Cái này cái thế, cái này là cái cu mục face painting. Food truck. barbecue rib. Yeah, I think this line. Grill. Yeah, I think that barbecue rib.
Oh, we gonna have an adult day for the Minnesota State Fair if you want to come.
Hey, you know they have a barbecue rib over here?
Huh?
What this line right here? What they have?
Barbecue?
Barbecue?
Like barbecue tacos?
Oh, okay.
Taco, not the
Taco. Muốn đá tôi khóm thì mất rồi.
Các bạn ta tâm hồn chậm.
Hả? Mà chị ra mình nơi nắng có má. Tôi muốn mà mi nắng. Có mai bả. Look like they have chicken wing. Wow. Excuse me. Chicken on a stick beef patty. People are lining up for food. Right here, the pizza. Mario Italian. Suma. Pedro fried rice, noodle box, slushy. And look, beverage on the other side. Cannot beverage. Beer, cocktail, wine. Concert over there, I see. Cho mới đi chọn cho tất cả cho mới 1 2 3 okay. Mà làm There, go back to that line.
It was right along to whatever he was putting together.
Oh, đi xa quá. Đâu có là đi là cô má. Oh my God.
Popular people are lining up for their taco. eating taco from Heavy Grill. Yeah, people are lining up everywhere for food truck. That's all the line for food truck.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
dog is laughing. Yeah, they laugh.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for the Spasmatics! Wow, you guys are a good-looking crowd. Happy 4th of July. Thanks for joining us here for Rockin' Rockets. I think you're good. Are you good?
Amazing concert. Wow.
We're gonna bring Adam on again. That wasn't loud enough. Adam West! You'd think a disc jockey could run this thing, but no. Hey, how you feeling today? Did you eat any of this food out here yet? Oh, it's all amazing. You guys get something to drink out there? Hey, good. Eddie, this guy right here, he's running. He's got one right up in the airport. Attaboy. Hey, so Monday parties seem to be kind of a theme around here. Okay, yeah. So if you're having fun this Monday, we're going to do it all over again next Monday with the Black Crows. The Black Crows, they're going to be here. Wow. Does it sound good to you? I thought so. And of course, July 28th to the 30th, you're gonna get a kick out of this. Joey Chestnut is gonna come back for the World Rib Eating Championship right here at Mystic Lake. No way. Like the Joey Chestnut from today? Like the real...
We heading to inside casino. I come back out later for fireworks show at night. បាទពេលនេះកំពុងដើរចូលទៅក្នុង casino បាទចាំពេលមេឃនឹងងឹតតិចចេញមកដើម្បីមើល fireworks show. Ahead of us is the hotel building connect to casino on the right hand over there, and the parking lot. Okay, walk inside hotel casino. This casino side, this hotel side. Sorry. ពេលនេះឥឡូវពេលនេះកំពុងនៅក្នុង ចំហៀងខាងអូតែលនៅ Mystic Lake Casino ហ្នឹងបាទកន្លែងនេះកន្លែងអង្គុយចាំបាទ lounge area and that to the hotel. This front desk checking in. Caribou coffee shop. And the gaming area ahead on that way. Gonna walk through casino floor for a quick tour here. Gaming machine got a bar right there. There's a lot of gaming machine, ATM. Cashier on my right hand. Cashier, cash out money, and table game over there ahead of me. Table game, Rolex, and higher state. game. And this casino bar. Another casino bar. Club Mystic sign up over there. Got food court area right here. Got sandwich, got Asian food. Wow, a lot of people. A lot of people today inside and outside. Got burger. I see Chang order. Like need to be a burger. Here is a mall of Asian fusion noodle. That's a long line. Asian fusion noodle. I see Chang eat đấy. Okay, this food court area. Got noodle bar and a burger. Mistake bingo. Mistake bingo right here. No, hey, hey. Why? You thought you lost me?
I thought I lost the camera.
Huh? Yeah, see? How much?
I thought I lost the camera.
Oh. We're gonna head back out to the concert area. Hang out there and watching the fireworks. Oh, fireworks.
Get the chair from the car.
Yes.
And then why are we putting this way?
Okay, and we're gonna head out to the concert area. Sit and hang out over there and then watching fireworks.
That's your friend?
Mini cafe. Got steak over here too. They have steak over here. Come on, it's steak. So we're back here to the hotel front desk check-in right here. Sitting lounge and casino floor bar. One of the bar. A lot of people come here for enjoyment on July 4th. It's already starting dark. That means fireworks show is coming. Bây giờ trương ma anh vậy? Hả?